Hey, I'm Matias with Toast, and we've got another unboxing for you. Today we are going to take a look at the brand new iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. We're gonna unbox them, take a look at them, compare how they look against the iPhone 12. So let's take a look. So we've got the iPhone 13 here, and we're gonna pull this guy out. So right off the bat, I can definitely see a slightly smaller notch there, but feels very familiar for sure. We've got the aluminum body. They reconfigured the cameras to be diagonal. The lens surrounds is definitely a little bit bigger than last year's. This is my iPhone 12, of course, with our Toast rosewood cover with our cool solar inlay design. You can see kind of the width of the notch on this one versus over here. The speaker hole got moved to the top of the glass, versus before it was here between the lenses. The camera configuration's been switched up. You get the diagonals here, vertically stacked there. The scale of the cameras seem bigger, but otherwise, you know, it's really a pretty close match. So let's take a look at the 13 Pro. What's really nice is Apple got rid of all the plastic films, so there's none of that extra over-the-top plastic on there, which is great. And so there's our 13 Pro, and that's got the nice stainless steel edging. The notch is a fraction smaller. The camera feels more pronounced. This is our camera button surrounds for the 12 Pro. Yeah, you can see that the whole camera lens area is so much bigger. This is our Toast cover for the 12 Pro, and you can see that definitely that camera area has to be completely reworked. They moved all those buttons around. Yeah, they moved the power wake up there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.